Hello everyone and welcome back to Hooks and Yarn and One Row Wonders. Today's One Row Wonder is this. It's a beautiful pattern, a beautiful cluster, really easy, perfect for absolute beginners. So for this stitch you're going to do your chain in sets of 4. Sets of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I've done a sample in sets of 4 stitches. So into the 5th chain in the hook, count 1, 2, 3, 4, and into the 5th one you're going to put a double crochet. We're going to put another one into the same stitch. To put 2 into the next stitch, 1 and 2. We're going to skip 2 stitches, 1, 2, then we're going to put 2 doubles into the next stitch and 2 into the next stitch. So skip 2 stitches in your chain, then put 2 double crochets into this stitch, then 2 into the next one. You're going to skip 2, 1, 2, and put 2 into that stitch and 2 into that stitch. Skip 2 and then put 2 and 2. Skip 2 and then do that all the way along to the end. So skip 2, into that same stitch and 2 into the next stitch. And this is what you've got. Groups of 2 V-stitches with 2 skip stitches in between. So I'm nearly at the end. I'm going to skip 2 and into my last stitch I'm going to put 1 double crochet. And this is what you've got. You've got groups of 4. So the row you'll keep repeating now is you're going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3 and turn your work. And you're going to skip that stitch because it belongs to that chain. You're going to skip that stitch. So you're skipping 1 and 2 stitches. Now into the middle 2 of your set of 4 you're going to put 2 double crochets and 2 double crochets. So skip that first stitch there and skip that one. So the 2 middle ones of your cluster, you're going to put 2 into that stitch and 2 into that stitch. So into that one you're going to put 2 double crochets and 2 into the next stitch. This is a row you'll keep repeating. You're going to skip 2, 1, 2 and put 2 into the next stitch and 2 into the next stitch. So you're building your next double clusters in the middle of that double cluster. So you're going to skip 2, 1, 2 and do your cluster in the next stitch, your first 2 stitches and your next 2 in the next stitch. Skip 2 and then work your 2 sets of cluster, your 2 sets of double crochet and then 2 in the next stitch. Skip 2 and then put 2 in the next stitch, 2 in the next stitch, skip 2 and then work 2, 2 into that one and 2 into the next one, skip 2 and then do 2 double crochets and 2 into the next stitch, skip 2 and work 2, skip 2 and work 2. So at the end you're going to skip that stitch and put a double crochet into the top of this chain. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3 and turn. And again we're going to skip 2 stitches and work 2. Skip 2 and work 2, so you'll be working into the 2 stitches in the middle of your cluster, this one and this one. And at the end you'll skip 1 and put 1 double crochet into the chain at the end. Chain 3, turn your work, and again you're going to work in to the middle 2 stitches of your cluster. You'll skip 2 and work 2 and you'll get this beautiful one row wonder stitch. And once you've done as many rows as you want, this is the pattern, this is how it turns out. It's the same on both sides, it's really pretty and it's really quick as well. So give this one row wonder a try. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel, help this channel to be seen more on YouTube. If you click on the bell icon, YouTube will tell you when we put up another tutorial, and please give the video a thumbs up. I hope you enjoyed this one row wonder, so hang on for the next one and I'll see you all again. Goodbye.